How a teenager can make money online business secrets. Okay, so if you're watching this and you're saying to yourself, and I get a lot of these comments, hey, I'm only 15, I'm only 16, I'm only 17, how can I make money online? This video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the steps so you'll know exactly what you need to do. Hey, there's a lot of opportunities out there. I know teens nowadays, they want to travel, they want to see the world, they want to do all these things, but how do you finance that? The way you finance it is through an online business. Let me give you the example of Muslim. He started at the age of 15 buying electronic gadgets and then selling them on eBay. Now at some point he finally realized, I got to figure out a way to automatically get them to my clients. He did that through drop shipping agreements. At the age of 19 he was making $3,500 a month with his newfound business. By the age of 21, over $455,000 a year in sales. Not bad. Take Chris Phillips. He had made his first $1 million by the age of 18. Look at Sean Belnick. He started his business at the age of 14. 7 years later he had a $42 million a year business. And let's not forget old Mark Zuckerberg, who put together Facebook while in college and is one of the richest people in the world. Now in this video I want to give you some examples of things you can do even if you're just a teenager to start making money and maybe finance your next multi-million-dollar business. The first and easiest way to do anything online is through online surveys. There are actual websites you can go to and take surveys, and as you take these surveys you'll get paid for your opinions on these surveys. Some of these websites can make you tons of money. Check out places like Swag Bucks or Cash Crate. Even mypoints.com is willing to pay you just to take surveys. Number two, freelance sites. Maybe you've got a talent, maybe you like drawing, maybe you like making websites or SEO, or maybe you enjoy writing. You can sign up for one of these freelance websites. You can go to upwork.com, you can go to fiverr.com and immediately start raking in the cash. Maybe you're more into e-commerce. Maybe you want to sell products. Well, you can start a store at etsy.com. There's plenty of opportunities there to sell products, and if you don't have your own product, you don't want to make your own product at Etsy, all you've got to do is use a print-on-demand company. You can sell t-shirts, you can sell mugs, hats, blankets. You can also sell on Amazon, you can sell on eBay. There's plenty of platforms for you to get started. Now of course the beauty of all those platforms is you don't have to invest any money to drive traffic because they've already done that for you. If you start your own website, you're gonna have to drive traffic, maybe write blogs or buy ads on Facebook or YouTube. But when you're on one of these sites like Amazon or eBay or Etsy, the traffic is already there. All you got to do is come up with a product. Number four, tutorial websites. There's plenty of tutorial websites out there now. There's places like Tutor and Chegg.com. You can go to either one of those and start making money immediately. If you're good at English, that's your first language, you can go to SameSpeak or Schema Talk and teach people how to speak English. Number five is a drop shipping business. Drop shipping businesses are great, and we do some drop shipping of our survival food products for other websites, but you can start a drop shipping business by just hooking up a Shopify store to AliExpress and using Oberlo to actually send that sale over to AliExpress, and they'll actually send out the product for you. No investment in inventory is needed. The thing is, there are numerous ways for you to make money online. One of the main comments I get now is, I'm only 15, how can I make money online? Or I'm only 16, how can I make money online? You know, the internet, it doesn't care how old you are. It really doesn't. If you want to run a business online, you can do it. It doesn't matter if you're 80, it doesn't matter if you're 50. The internet doesn't care. This is the one place where it gives you no advantage to be older. It gives you no advantage to be younger either. So bottom line is, the internet doesn't care about your age. I think the biggest obstacle when you're a younger person and you're trying to make money online, you're assuming that you need years of experience to figure this stuff out, and you really don't. You just have to figure it out, and there's several ways to figure it out. You can figure it out by trial and error. You can just try things, and the things that don't work, you can stop doing those and keep doing the things that do work. However, that can get expensive, especially if you're running ads. It's also going to get expensive for your time. As a young person, you think, well gee, I've got plenty of time, I've got nothing but time. Well, you do and you don't. It can run out, and it will run out at some point. but wouldn't it be smarter to just do the things that work and save yourself a lot of aggravation? Now there's several ways of going about this. You could actually take my channel and start watching videos on how to make money online. Go through, watch 100 videos, 200 videos. Right now at the time of this recording, I've got over 600 videos on this channel, which means there's a lot of opportunity for you to learn things. The next thing you could do is actually buy some training. Now I will tell you to be careful when you do this, because a lot of people sell training on how to make money online, but they don't really make money online outside of just selling training on how to make money online. So you want to buy from somebody who's actually made money online. I actually do have courses, and you're welcome to purchase those. I have some links below in the description, and those courses will walk you through the steps. These courses are not theory. These are courses of things that we actually do on a daily basis, that we've actually done to make millions of dollars online. So I will tell you, when you're going to buy a course, make sure you're buying it from somebody who actually has put into practice the things that you want to be able to do. If they haven't, the odds are they're not going to be able to help you out. It's just going to be a bunch of information that's not going to make a whole lot of sense to you. Now the other thing I'll tell you is that when you're trying to sell online, you want to constantly learn. You're going to want to learn about SEO. You're going to want to learn about videos. You're going to want to learn about content. You're going to want to learn about marketing. You're going to want to learn about social media. It's a constantly evolving platform, selling online. I know what I do today is vastly different from what I did 10 years ago when I started, and as a matter of fact, it's really different from what I did 6 months ago or even a year ago. Things change online really fast, and you got to keep up with it. Now on this channel, what I do is I do videos on a consistent basis. Weekly we come out with 5 videos, and I would tell you to subscribe to this channel now. That's the first thing you can do, is subscribe to the channel so that you have access to this. Now when you subscribe to the channel, the other thing you're going to want to do is ring the bell. Okay, the bell is that notification bell that you're going to find next to the subscribe button. When you ring the bell, what it does is every time I upload a video, it's going to send you a notification that I just uploaded a new video so that you can watch it. I also do live videos on here so that you can actually interact with me when I'm doing a live video. I do those usually every Friday, so that would be something good for you to also sign up for, so that you have access to me and the information on this channel. Now in addition to that, I want to give you something a little extra. That something a little extra is a course. That course is down in the description. It's a $97 course, but for a limited time you can actually get it for free. Free's good. Free's really good. Okay, so all you're gonna have to do is click that link down there. When you click that link, it will actually give you access. You don't need a credit card, so if you don't have a credit card, don't worry about that. You won't need a credit card to do that. You can click through and just watch the information, and you can get it for free. Now have you tried to make any money online? Have you tried stuff that's worked? I want to hear about it. Put it in the comments below. Have you tried stuff that hasn't worked? Put it in the comments below. Now there's 2 reasons something doesn't work. Number 1, it just doesn't work. It's something that doesn't work. Number 2, you tried to do something but you didn't do it correctly, so that's why it didn't work. So if you put either one of those in the comments below and tell me what you did, why it didn't work, what you think went wrong, and I'll look at it and I'll send you a message back in the comments section, so maybe it'll help you out and help you to make some money. Once again, I want to reiterate this education thing, guys. It's okay to watch a lot of videos on YouTube, but make sure they're not all entertainment. My channel is not an entertainment channel. It's an educational channel. If you sit down this weekend or this week and you watch 50 or 100 videos, you're going to be a smarter person than you were in the beginning of the week, because you're going to have more information. Armed with that information, you can go out and make more money. So I encourage you to do that. I want to thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.